What if you could get back 10 hours every single week without hiring anyone, without burning out, and without learning to code? In 2026, that's not a fantasy. It's what the right 5 AI tools can do for you right now. I tested dozens. These 5 actually delivered. Let's start with number 1, Claude by Anthropic. If you're still drafting emails, reports, or content from scratch, you're leaving serious time on the table. Claude handles complex reasoning, long documents, and nuanced writing better than anything else I've tested. Drop in a messy brief and get a polished first draft in seconds. It's not just autocomplete, it thinks. For anyone doing knowledge work, this is the first tool you install. Number 2, Perplexity AI. Google is still great for SEO, but when you need a real answer, with sources, fast, Perplexity is in a different league. It synthesizes the web in real time, cites everything, and gives you a clean summary instead of 10 tabs to wade through. I use it for research, competitive analysis, and any time I need to get smart on a topic in under 2 minutes. Number 3, Make.com, formerly Integromat. This is automation without code. Connect your apps, trigger workflows, move data between platforms automatically. Think. New lead in your CRM triggers a personalized email, logs to a spreadsheet, and pings you on Slack, all without touching it. Once your workflows are built, they run forever. This is the closest thing to a digital employee that costs $20 a month. Number 4, Notion AI. If your notes, projects, and knowledge base live in Notion, the AI layer turns it into something alive. Summarize meeting notes, generate action items, ask questions about your own documents. It's the difference between a filing cabinet and a thinking partner. If your team already uses Notion, this is a no-brainer upgrade. Number 5, ElevenLabs. This one's in my own production stack, and that's not a coincidence. ElevenLabs generates human-quality voiceovers from text in seconds. Creators, marketers, anyone producing audio or video content. This replaces a recording studio and a voice actor. The voices are that good. It's what you're hearing right now. Here's the meta point. None of these tools are magic on their own. The people winning with AI aren't using one tool. They're building a stack. Claude thinks. Perplexity researchers, Make automates, Notion organizers, ElevenLabs producers. Together, they compress what used to take a full team into what one focused person can do in a morning. Links to all 5 are in the description. Most have free tiers. Start there, then upgrade when the value is obvious. That's it for today. If this saved you time or gave you one new tool to try, subscribe. I cover AI tools and automation every week, and I don't pad these videos. See you in the next one.